Have you ever dreamed of a place so perfect it feels like it was molded by hand? That place is real, Slovenia. It's a pocket-sized wonderland in the heart of Europe, bursting with color and charm. Picture pointy mountains, turquoise rivers, and castles perched on hills, like a scene from a claymation film. Here, you can ski in the morning and dip your toes in the sea by afternoon. Every corner reveals a new story: glassy lakes, dragon bridges, and vast underground caves. Slovenia is cozy, yet full of secrets, crafted with care and ready to surprise you. So, grab your map and sense of wonder. Our Slovenian adventure is about to begin. This isn't just a trip, it's a journey through a living storybook. Let's get a move on. Slovenia's claymation-like wonders await. What are we waiting for? Our first stop is Lake Bled, a fairy tale come to life. Imagine a crystal-clear lake with a tiny island and a charming church at its heart. Glide across the water in a traditional pletna boat, rowed by generations of boatmen. Climb the 99 steps to the church, ring the wishing bell, and make a secret wish. High above, Bled Castle stands guard, offering breathtaking views of the lake and mountains. Inside, discover centuries of history and watch an old printing press in action. Don't miss a slice of kremšnita, the famous cream cake, at a lakeside cafe. The simple joys: a boat ride, a ringing bell, a sweet treat, make Lake Bled magical. It's a place where legends and beauty meet. Lake Bled is the perfect start to our journey. Let's see what's next. Welcome to Ljubljana, the Dragon City, Slovenia's colorful capital. Dragons guard the famous Dragon Bridge, but here, they're friendly symbols of the city's spirit. Stroll along pastel riverside buildings, cross the clever triple bridge, and soak in the lively car-free center. Climb or ride the funicular to Ljubljana Castle for sweeping city views and a taste of history. Explore bustling markets filled with fresh food and flowers, or sample global flavors at the open kitchen. Ljubljana feels more like a friendly town than a capital, welcoming, vibrant, and full of surprises. It's a city where the past and present live side by side. The Dragon City is sure to win your heart. Onward to the wilds. Now, let's head to Triglav National Park, a true giant's playground. Named after Slovenia's highest peak, this wild landscape is all soaring mountains, deep valleys, and sparkling rivers. Hike through ancient forests, spot chamois and golden eagles, and discover hidden waterfalls. The Socha River dazzles with its emerald green waters, perfect for kayaking or simply watching the world rush by. Mountain lodges offer a warm rest and hearty stew after a day of adventure. Here, nature is the boss, and every view is a reward. Triglav National Park fills you with energy and awe. It's Slovenia's wild heart, untamed and unforgettable. Ready for the next adventure? Hold on. Our next stop is the Škocjan Caves, a UNESCO World Heritage Wonder. Beneath quiet hills lies a hidden world of vast caverns, strange rock formations, and a roaring underground river. Walk through cathedral-sized chambers, past ancient stalactites and stalagmites shaped by time. Cross a dizzying bridge above the thundering Reka River in one of the world's largest underground canyons. The caves are mysterious, beautiful, and humbling, a true adventure below the surface. Emerging into sunlight, you'll feel like you've returned from another world. The Škocjan Caves remind us of nature's hidden power and beauty. It's an epic journey you'll never forget. Let's head for the coast. Time for sunshine. Welcome to Piran, Slovenia's jewel by the Adriatic Sea. This seaside town charms with Venetian-style streets, colorful houses, and a lively main square. Relax at a cafe in Tartini Square, watch fishing boats in the harbor, and climb to St. George's Church for postcard-perfect views. Wander cobbled alleys, discover hidden courtyards, and let the town's magic lead you. As the sun sets, the waterfront glows, and fresh seafood awaits by the sea. Piran is a place to slow down and savor the moment. It's the perfect end to a day of adventure. A little slice of sunshine to warm your heart. But our journey isn't over yet. Our grand tour of Slovenia comes to an end, but the spirit of adventure lives on. We've explored fairy tale lakes, dragon-guarded cities, wild mountains, epic caves, and sunny shores. Slovenia's beauty is matched only by its warmth and stories. This journey is about discovery, curiosity, and the joy of new experiences. Let's promise to be good guests, protecting nature and respecting every place we visit. The world is full of wonders, big and small, waiting to be explored. Keep your eyes open, your heart curious, and your walking shoes ready. Adventure is everywhere, sometimes just around the corner. Who knows where our next grand day out will take us? Cheerio for now, and happy travels.